Yeah, from the bottom to the sky. No fear, no limits. Let's go! Started with a dream and an empty pocket. Now I'm aiming high like a rocket. People laughed when I had no name. Now they watch every move in the game. Broken roads made my spirit tough. Life hit hard, but it wasn't enough. Life hit hard, but it wasn't enough. Every scar turned into my crown. Kings don't quit when they fall down. Kings don't quit when they fall down. I'm chasing goals, not chasing fame. Hard work burning like a flame. Every failure built my way. Now I'm shining every day.
हमर सपना अब उड़ी रहल छै, दिलक आगि कहियो नहि मिटाइ छै। आगा बढ़ैत रहब हरदम, हम जीत हमर पहचान बनाइ छै। ओ साथी हिम्मत नहि हारिया, एक दिन दुनिया तोहर नाम गाबै छै।
No shortcuts, only sacrifice. Every lesson came with a price. Lost some friends, found my soul. Now success is the only goal. Pressure made me stronger still. Built my future with iron will. I don't stop when the lights go low. Real champions always grow. Money comes and money goes. Character is what really shows. Money comes and money goes. Character is what really shows. Write my story page by page. Freedom is my final stage.
हमर सपना अब उड़ी रहल छै, दिलक आगि कहियो नहि मिटाइ छै। आगा बढ़ैत रहब हरदम, हम जीत हमर पहचान बनाइ छै। ओ साथी हिम्मत नहि हारिया, एक दिन दुनिया तोहर नाम गाबै छै।
They said impossible, I smiled. They closed the door, I built my own road. The sky isn't the limit, it's just the beginning.
हमर सपना अब उड़ी रहल छै, दिलक आगि कहियो नहि मिटाइ छै। आगा बढ़ैत रहब हरदम, हम जीत हमर पहचान बनाइ छै। ओ साथी हिम्मत नहि हारिया, हमर कहानी इतिहास बनाइ छै।
Yeah, rise from nothing. Now we rise forever.